A happy playground. This arrangement flowers by Southern District. The design concept of this garden, flat in stem to minimize carbon footprints by using recycled materials and creation of a simple, minimalist children playground. Highly artistic receptacles made out of plastic bottle collecting rainwater for the purpose of carrying the garden. In addition, wastes are recycled with old tires being reused for fencing. Meanwhile, log cabin and playing facilities are built out of the fallen trees and branches. The garden is dotted with a profusion of flowers and trees, with planting native spices as the preferred option, in particular those drought-tolerant perennials. Not only can this help conserve water use, but also illustrate the review's vitality of the place to promote the growth of health and plants. Organic fertilizer are applied. This is meant to visit this green playground, revoking memories of carefree childhood years while realizing the principle of going garden. Happy in nature. This is the representative of Kowloon City District. The design concept of this garden flat is inspired by Kevin in wood, featuring structures blended in with nature with a chic and highly modern appearance. Built from wood and recycled materials, the Kevin features enormous windows with ingeniously correct the interior of the cabin to the outside world. Enchantedly gorgeous hydrogenia are the everywhere outside the cabin. In bloom their florets lead close to each other, reminiscent of the spiritual reliance and mutual support among friends and family. Nestling against other flowers, hydrogania spread the message of borderless love. The picturesque garden is filled with spring charms, looking a painting in which is figure basks in wood under the sun on an intoxicated fine day. That's the happy playground and happy nature. Hope you like it and share it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and God bless.